If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get regular updates of our channel. Momos or stuffed dumplings is the traditional food of Nepal, Tibet, Bhutan and China. It is Nepal's most original and the oldest food, and it is popularized throughout the world. Let us now see the making of the world's most popular food. Let's start. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and salt to taste. Add water little by little and knead it into a dough. You can also use hot water for kneading the dough. Once the dough is ready, grease it with a spoonful of oil. Now let us set this aside for half an hour by closing it with a wet towel. While the dough is resting, we'll get ready with the chicken stuffing. Add 250 grams of minced chicken to a bowl. You can either mince the chicken with a large knife or add the chicken pieces into a blender and mince it for a minute. To this, add 2 inches of finely chopped ginger, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped and 1 big onion again finely chopped, 2 chopped green chilies, a spoonful of pepper powder and a handful of chopped coriander with salt to taste. Thoroughly mix so that it blends very well and set it aside. Now the chicken filling is ready. Let us get into making the momos. Make small balls out of the dough and roll it into small circles either on a working place or with the help of chapati maker. Then fill in a handful of the chicken stuffing and fold it bit by making small pleats out of the dough. Slightly give a twist and seal the top so that you will get the shape of momo. Repeat the same procedure with the remaining dough and the chicken filling. Now this is how our momos looks after we are done. The stuffing, be it meat or vegetable, has to be minced well and flavored with ginger and garlic, which is the main ingredient for momos. It's time to steam our momos. Take a pan, fill in with a little water and keep a plate above. Grease the top of the plate with oil and carefully lay the momos one by one. Close in with a lid and allow it to steam for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our momos are all done. The steamed and plain momos can be served as such, and it goes well with red chili and garlic sauce. Let's move on to making the soup for our momos. Take a frying pan, add a spoonful of ghee, add half an inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves and a half a spoon of fennel seeds. Let it splutter and then add in curry leaves. Once the curry leaves are thawed, add in 1 cup of raw onion paste. Here I have grounded 1 big onion. Let it saute for 5 minutes or until the raw smell of the onion is gone. Then add in a cup of tomato puree. Here I have used 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Here comes the main ingredient, that is the hero of the dish. It is the fine powder made out of roasting 5 red chilies, 2 spoons of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of fennel seed, 1 inch of cinnamon and 3 to 4 cloves. I am adding in 2 spoons of this powder. We will stir fry this nicely for 5 to 7 minutes until the raw smell of the spices is gone. Add in salt to taste and give a mix. Finally, I am adding in the chicken stock and a cupful of water and letting it boil for another 5 to 8 minutes. After it boils well, turn off the gas and our soup is now ready. Add in the momos into the soup according to your need. Our yummy to tummy momos with a yummy soup is now ready to be served. Juicy momos with homemade sauce of tomato, green chilies and garlic along with a bowl of soup. Momos, no matter where they come from, they will always be a soul food. Try out and enjoy.